What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be doing a tutorial on a fun product by Kevin Murphy, so let's see what it's all about. So we're only going to be using one product today, and the only tools you'll probably need for today's tutorial is going to be a wet brush or something that looks similar to this. So let's go ahead and give it a try and see how this works. Okay guys, so this is the fun product that we're going to be using today during this tutorial. This is the Young Again Dry Conditioning Spray. This is a great essential to have in your cabinet. It's going to moisturize and hydrate your hair in between washes. That way you don't have to wash your hair, you don't have to worry about losing color, fading throughout the process when washing your hair so many times a week. So this is going to be your lifesaver, and let's try this and see how this works. Okay guys, so this is how my hair looks, obviously. I didn't wash it for a few days, and I wanted to leave it like this so that way we can see how this product really works in the hair. And if you can, I don't know if you can tell through the video, but see how my ends are looking a little frizzy. They definitely look like they need some type of moisturizer. So this is perfect, and I felt like this would be a perfect video for you all. So let's try it out and see how this works. So first steps first, with this product, you don't want to use it at the root. I mean, it is a moisturizer, so it may cause some oiliness if you were to do it at the root. It is made for mid part to ends. So I know I'm wearing a beanie. I'm not going to take it off because I'm not focusing on my roots today, so I figured I'd do this quick tutorial with you all to show you how it really works at my ends, because it definitely needs a moisturizer. It feels really dry and it needs some hydration. So let's take some of this spray, and I'm gonna just go through this really good. Alright, so now that we got the product in my hair, I'm going to take my wet brush and just comb it on through to work the product in really well. And honestly, you could probably even spray it in the palm of your hands to focus a little bit more on your ends. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Kind of rub it through and just kind of getting your ends really good, like this. So you can kind of see the difference. Check that out. Look how much smoother that looks compared to this one, because I really didn't put any product on my palm to use in this side. So alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I just put the product in my hair. It's like, it feels nice, and it's not like something that's very heavy on your hair because it is a spray. I know some shampoo conditioners can be heavy on some clients and some people that tend to use certain products, but this is actually really good. And like I said, just kind of get in your hair, comb it through, and then I can go about styling after this. So this is what's nice, you know, this is just something that's gonna moisturize and hydrate your ends so well without having to wash it. And then you can just go about styling, so check that out. I think this looks good, guys. So after this, after you use this product, you can always either go about your day, or you can style your hair, and it's gonna feel nice, clean. You're gonna have a nice, silky, smooth feel to your ends. This is something that's really great for extensions as well. Something I highly recommend because I have extensions myself. And guys, I hope you liked this tutorial today. It was just very quick. I just wanted to show you how it feels before you do go out and decide to buy the product. And I love it. So, I mean, I know this isn't styled or anything like that, but look how nice and smooth. It's really nice. So, and it smells good. It's a little strong, so be careful when you are spraying it. And like I said, just comb it through really well. You can either spray at the palm of your hands, rub it in your ends really well, just to kind of soak it up in there in your cuticles, to get it in the hair really nice and well. Spray, comb through continuously, and you can go about curling your hair, straightening, or if you want to just leave it the way it is and not do too much to it, you are more than welcome to do that. So I actually highly recommend this product. It's one of those products that you do need to carry in your cabinets because we all tend to color our hair, and I feel like we save our color if we don't shampoo our hair as much. If you're spending a lot of money on color out there, which I know we all do because color is not cheap, whether if you're a blonde or you're a brunette, color does fade. Blondes do, you know, tend to get brassy, so if you don't wash your hair as much, you save a lot of the color in your hair and it just looks more shiny and vibrant, and it stays in your hair a lot longer before you have to go see your stylist. So I highly recommend this product if you're trying to save color, trying to save time from washing your hair, and especially if you have extensions, because that's not something that you want to wash every day. I tend to wash my hair maybe a few times a week, and I save my color. That's how I keep my vibrancy of my blonde and keep the nice tone really refreshed with great products. So this is something I highly recommend using for your ends to get in there before styling. If it feels a little dirty, comb it out with this stuff. It'll definitely be a nice, rejuvenating, silky, smooth look for your ends. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Please remember to subscribe for more videos to come, whether if it's beauty, fitness, you name it. It's gonna be life with art. So please remember to hit that bell, and that way you'll get notifications when new videos are posted. And again, guys, thank you for watching. Remember to hit the like button if this video was very helpful to you all. I know it was a quick little clip, and it was just something that I wanted to share with y'all because we just received it on the shelves, and I wanted to show y'all how it works, how you go about it. I'm a very big person on products, and I love to give product knowledge. And for those of you all who are uncertain and how to use products, hey, let me know, shoot me a comment down below, whatever you're wanting to see, how something works, because I am a big fan of products and I highly recommend it if you are trying to get a specific style, and if you're trying something new, try something different for yourself. And I mean, when you use great products, you're gonna have good hair. I promise you that. This is something that I like to recommend for my clients too, with somebody with extensions. This is a lifesaver. So if you're looking for something to save your color, save the time in between washes, this is a great product to have. So again, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you next video. So take care and peace out.